Which Shopify plan is best for beginners? For beginners launching their first online store, the basic Shopify plan is typically the best fit. It gives you all the essential tools to start selling without overwhelming costs or unnecessary complexity. You'll get a full-featured storefront, custom domain connection, unlimited product listings, and built-in marketing tools right from day one. The basic plan supports beginner ambitions by offering access to Shopify's ecosystem of apps, secure checkout, and the ability to use a custom domain. It also includes customer support and the flexibility to scale up later. For someone just starting out, this plan hits the balance between affordability and capability. Many first-time Shopify merchants begin with the basic plan to test their niche, start generating traffic, and optimize their store experience. As they grow, they can upgrade to higher plans for advanced analytics, lower transaction fees, or multiple staff accounts. Starting with basic means you're ready to operate like a pro while building confidence. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to starter-friendly features, intuitive store-building tools, and growth-ready functionality that help you begin your Shopify journey with confidence.